Watch a sunset and the sky catches fire red, orange, gold all the way to the horizon. 6 hours earlier, this exact same sky was pure blue, same sun, same air, same eyes, so what is repainting the entire sky twice a day? In the next few minutes you'll see why sunlight secretly carries every color, how the air plays favorites with just one of them, why the sky isn't violet, and why every red sunset is really a stolen blue sky. Start with the sunlight itself. It looks white, but white is just what every color mixed together looks like. Pass it through a prism and it fans out into the full spectrum. Each color is a wave with its own size. Red waves are long, about 700 nanometers. Blue waves are almost half that, short, tight, and twice as choppy. Hold on to that one fact: blue waves are small. Everything that follows comes from it. Now send that light into the atmosphere, trillions of nitrogen and oxygen molecules, each far smaller than a light wave. Most light streams straight past. But when a wave does clip a molecule, it gets kicked out in a random new direction. That's Rayleigh scattering, and it's brutally unfair. Cut the wavelength in half and scattering jumps 16 times. In practice, blue light scatters about 5 times more than red. So blue doesn't reach your eye in a straight line, it ricochets across the entire sky first. Look anywhere away from the sun and you're catching bounced blue. The sky isn't blue stuff, it's blue scatter. But wait, violet waves are even shorter than blue. Shouldn't the sky be violet? 2 reasons it isn't. First, the sun simply emits less violet than blue. Second, your eyes respond weakly to violet and strongly to blue. The atmosphere does scatter violet, your eyes just outvote it. The sky is blue partly because of physics and partly because of you. Now the payoff: the sunset. At noon, sunlight punches through the atmosphere at its thinnest, a short, direct trip. At sunset, that same light comes in sideways, slicing through up to 40 times more air. 40 times more air means 40 times more chances to scatter, so the blue is stripped out long before the light reaches you. What survives the marathon are the long, lazy waves, red and orange. A sunset isn't red light being created, it's blue light being subtracted. And that stolen blue didn't vanish. Right now, it's lighting up a blue afternoon sky for someone far to your west. So the sky is a sorting machine. It sifts sunlight by wavelength, hands the blue to the daytime, and saves the red for the edges. Air bends and bounces light, but something out there bends light with gravity alone. Next, how a black hole bends starlight into a perfect ring. Subscribe so you don't miss it.